In today's video, I'm going to show you how to skew and rotate objects quickly and precisely using the selection tool. If you work with shapes, graphics, or design elements, knowing how to stretch, squeeze, rotate, and skew objects is an essential skill that will make your design workflow much faster and more flexible. Instead of recreating shapes or struggling with alignment, you can simply transform your object in seconds. I'll walk you through the exact steps, so even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to follow along easily. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple design tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to set things up so we can transform the object. Press the S key on your keyboard to activate the selection tool. This tool allows you to select and transform objects on your canvas. Once the selection tool is active, click on the object you want to modify. As soon as you click the object once, you'll see scaling handles appear around it. These small square handles around the edges of the object allow you to resize and manipulate the shape in different ways. If you don't see the handles, make sure the object is properly selected and that the selection tool is active. Now let's talk about stretching and squeezing the object. When the handles are visible, you can drag the handles located on the sides, top, or bottom of the object. Dragging a side handle will stretch or compress the width of the object. Dragging the top or bottom handle will stretch or compress the height. This is useful when you want to quickly reshape an object without changing the other dimension. If you want to resize both width and height at the same time, use one of the corner handles instead. Simply click and drag a corner handle and the object will scale in both directions simultaneously. Sometimes when resizing, you want to keep the original proportions of the object so it doesn't look distorted. To do this, hold the Control key while dragging one of the corner handles. This keeps the proportions consistent so the object scales evenly without stretching in one direction. Next, let's look at how to rotate and skew the object. With the object still selected, click on it a second time. When you click again, the transformation handles will change. The corner handles will turn into curved or arched arrows. These new handles allow you to rotate the object. Simply click and drag one of the corner rotation handles and move your mouse to rotate the object to the angle you want. This makes it easy to tilt elements, adjust layouts, or create more dynamic designs. While you are in this rotation mode, you can also change the pivot point. The pivot point controls the axis around which the object rotates. By default, it sits in the center of the object, but you can click and drag the pivot point to another position. Moving the pivot point lets you rotate the object around a different location, which is extremely useful for precise transformations and creative layouts. And that's how you can stretch, squeeze, rotate, and skew objects using the selection tool. Once you practice this a few times, it becomes one of the fastest ways to transform elements in your designs. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.